What's up, Astro Safari enthusiasts? The windshield washer systems do not work on this 1997 GMC Safari. Time for some electrical diagnosis. I know a lot of you detest anything to do with automotive electrical, but this is an easy diagnosis. First, we pull up the appropriate wiring diagrams for the front and rear washer circuit. We're only interested in the pump portion of the diagrams, and here it is for the front, and here's the pump portion for the rear washer. What makes this circuit so easy is that we only have to test two wires on each of the pump's connectors, a power and a ground. And both pumps are conveniently located on the coolant overflow and windshield washer tanks. At this point, we have removed the tanks and the connectors. I'm using a circuit probe, and all 4 pins should show up as green. Yes, yes. And they all check out. The connector with the green and black wire is for the rear washer. The pin for the green wire should show up as power when we press the button in the cabin. And there it is, that's verified. I have my assistant doing the hard work on the inside. And we're gonna test the front washer. So the pink wire should show up as power when we press the button in the cabin. And did you see that? It briefly lit up. We have verified that the washer circuit is operating correctly. We can conclude that the pumps are no good. Now take a look at this tank, the condition of it. Broken clips, it leaks a little bit, the pumps are no good. Overall, it's in horrible condition. Dorman makes a replacement unit for $30. You get 2 new tanks, 2 new pumps, everything new. Now when you connect everything back together, the bottommost pump feeds the front washer. The connector with the pink and black wire goes here, and you notice 2 hoses run through the firewall. The left feeds the rear washer, and the hose on the right feeds the front washer. So this one would go in here, along with the pink and black connector. So let's assemble everything and give it a test run. Sometimes the nozzles get clogged, and make sure your check valve is going the right way. You see that arrow? Here's a quick test. That thing should be gushing right now. And there we go. All systems go. This valve is no good. Whenever I power the washer, it squirts. Watch. That component will have to be replaced. If you had a clogged nozzle, you could replace it. It's on the wiper. All you do is unseat it from its position, and there it is. You could blow compressed air through the other end of the hose, and it would come out through here. Or if you wanted to replace it, you would just remove that hose and put in a new one. To replace it, just seat it back, and there it is. Same thing with the rear wiper. This circuit is very easy to work on, so I hope you learned something. Have a good day.